Hi guys, it's an interesting day today. I came out to try this for the first time in my life, the BSA 650 Scrambler, or yeah, 650 Scrambler, odd bike, monocylindrical, 650cc. I'll show it to you now. It's actually interesting. The backdrop is a British legend, Land Rover or Range Rover. So take a look. That's the two of them. Mixed feelings. I didn't expect too much from it, anyways, but. Monocylindrical, quite loud, can't go fast. Highway speeds about 100 miles an hour maximum, but okay, there's the Range Rover. There's my test bike. Looks decent, sounds okay for around town, but I wouldn't buy it, honestly. I'll buy something else. The other thing too is the instrument cluster is not bad, but you cannot change anything. No modes. This particular one, I think the gear lever is broken, so kind of bummer. It doesn't shift out of second gear, so we gotta start in second, start. Ridiculous. Anyways, so far it's okay, nothing special. I didn't expect too much anyway, so that's it for now. I'll see you on the highway. It's kind of weird, it's very noisy. Okay, ciao. As I said, guys, nothing spectacular. I didn't know really what to expect from the BSA, but for around town it's not bad. Looks decent. I mean, looks scramblerish. It is a 65 scrambler. The color paint scheme is a bit wishy-washy for me. I don't mind it, but I'd rather have it a brighter color. But anyways, let's go and check it out. Let's see how this thing works. But I gotta adjust the mirror first, because it pissed me off. I guess that's gonna work. Okay. Is it tall enough to... I think it's gonna be okay to go over the curb. I think. Oh, good idea to my helmet up. There we go. Fuck. Okay. Now we're playing. Trip odometer. Let's see if I press this, what happens. What? Okay. Okie dokie. Alright. So we're off to the games now. We'll drive and see how that feels, because I was not able to put it in gear. Now let's see. First gear, second gear. Honestly, I'm not used to it, but it's okay. Listen, somebody can get used to it. I think personally it is a good car for around town, because it's light, doesn't go fast, but it's kind of enjoyable. Come on, buddy. Nice car, bro. Oh yeah, nice car. I would like to try it one day. Yeah, you see. I'm gonna stop and adjust this mirror, because it's annoying me greatly. I'm gonna stop by that thingy wingy. I'll stop here, fuck, why not? I'll stop here. Let me see. If I put it in the fucking neutral, there we go. I can't see shit. Well, that's better. Oh yeah, much better. First gear, second gear. It is loud. It's like a small tractor, man. Seriously. Third. Third. Fourth. Fourth gear. Fourth gear. Fourth gear, nothing spectacular. So this is fourth gear. Fourth gear at 50 miles an hour. Okay, 4 gears. And I bet you it's quite loud. So yes, my camera is here, that's fine. Now third, downshift somewhat. See, doesn't go below third. That's fucking stupid. Then you gotta do what you gotta do. Now I'm going right. Second. Now I'm going to the highway. Okay. Second gear. Third. I close the helmet entirely non-seat. It might make a difference in the sound, but not too much. This is third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. 5. I think he only has 5 gears, but let's check. This is 5. From what I feel. 5. Yeah, 5. 5 gears only. Five gears. Yeah, we're going at 50 miles an hour. Not bad. Let's try 60. It's pretty loud. The machine is pretty loud, but as I said, for town purposes, I think it's cool. Total like cafe racer style. So if somebody's looking for that, I think it's a good option. Money-wise, I'm not sure I can check the prices, but I hope it's not super expensive. Yeah. One's not bad. Yeah, 62 miles an hour, 61. Go here. People get past me. Interesting. It is. But he's going on the highway now. Mind you, I can always twist it off. Yeah. I think that's a good idea. This guy passed me. Again, VSA 650 scramble, 65 scrambler. Looks smart, looks scramblerish, but nothing to write home about because it's not what I for sure. Forget about the wind protection. I don't care about that. But I'm just saying, it's too clunky for my taste. But you know what? Flip side of the coin is that maybe if you're not into racing, going crazy quick, it's just fine. 100 miles an hour, oh sorry, 60 miles an hour, 100 kilometers an hour, 110, 120 is perfectly fine. You know? You don't have to worry about the speed limit and stuff. You're good. But around town, it could be good. Doll it up with some accessories, briefcase or something. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yep. Next exit's mine, baby. Let's see how that goes. Yep. The gears are not that great, I'll tell you right now. Yep. Here we are in Belgrade rush hour. There's this Mekiru! Good friend of mine. Traffic stop. Do, 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 do. Okie dokie. Traffic stop, traffic stop. Da, 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 da. Come on. It's pretty warm though. And I'm seeing, I tried this combo for the off-road gear. It's really it's really nice. It's good. Yeah, but the engine is emitting so much heat, man. It's weird. Yep. Yep. That's fine. A couple of things. Okay, we're gonna go, I think, right here, right here. Yeah, right down the lane there. Opa. Good. Here. That's where we go. We're almost done with the test ride. I'll give you my final thoughts when I get home. Yep, that's almost there. So, let's see. That's it for now. Hi. So continuing my quest to find a retro bike, or let's call it hipster bike, for my cousin. Today I'm riding and trying out the Royal Enfield, this one here, which is the I don't know, Royal Enfield HTR or something. Oh, Hunter, sorry. Hunter 350. He's in between this, the BSA, and maybe a Triumph. So let's see how it goes. He's a bit heavy. That's why he's concerned. I want to try this one and see how it fits, okay? So talk to you later. I'll sit down and then talk a bit more about my experiences, okay? So there we go. Hunter 350. Beautiful color. I like it. Blue. My color is blue. I love blue. So anyways, let's see how that goes. And there's my Lava Laguna right there, okay? Ciao for now. Bye. Okay guys, you can see me now. I'm in front of one of my favorite spots in Belgrade for desserts called Sapore. As you see, a friend of mine, Paolo, is the owner. Best ice cream, best coffee, best, best affogato in town. And I'm gonna sit down and talk to you about what I'm doing lately. I'm trying some motorcycles, so let's talk about that, okay? Anyways, let me just lower this a little bit. Whoop, like this, okay, good. So, I'm trying to find, well, here's my affogato, best in town. I'm trying to find for my cousin something that he likes. He likes a retro motorcycle, something like a Triumph Bonnie, but it's a bit heavy for him. So I rode the BSA 650 and a couple of days ago, and today I rode the Royal Enfield Comet 350. My impressions, I'll tell you now. You know that BSA is a very, very, very old company. They say it's the oldest manufacturer of motorcycles in the world. So it's Birmingham, I think. Yeah, Birmingham Small Arms Manufacturing. They're well known for all kinds of stuff. Amongst them, I'm going to read it to you because there's so much information. So they were basically founded in 1903. They built motorcycles. They built. I even saw on TV a couple of days ago a lawnmower made by BSA. So, yeah, Birmingham Small Arms Manufacturing. So they're pretty popular. They were pretty popular, but as in many things in life, especially in Europe, they ran into financial troubles. So let's see when they did stuff in the First World War, Second World War, post World War, interwar, so all that stuff. And let's see here. Give me 1 second. Blah 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 blah. It stops production. Let's see when. Stopped production in 1971. 1971 had 3 million euros in debt. So they tried to revive it, but nothing happened. So all the way until, let's see until when? Until 2021, BSA Gold Star started it. Honestly, I didn't like it. Maybe the unit that I rode was a flimsy unit, but 650 monocylindrical, very loud, fit and finish is very bad. Well, bad. I didn't like it. Gears were all screwed up, so for the money that you pay for it, I wouldn't recommend it, me personally. So up to everybody else, you're all grown-ups. Today, however, I rode the Royal Enfield Comet 350. I like it a lot. It looks much better than the BSA. And I was impressed. It has a lot of pull, although it's a 350. It's a small bike, but I think my cousin might like it. It's light. I tried to put it in the center stand and it worked fine. So basically that's it. I didn't film the outro ride because it was a very short test ride, 20 minutes. I took some short videos, so I'll post that as well. The BSA I did take a video and you'll see it now. Continuing my report. So that is it for now. I might try if they have the CB350 at Honda, which I doubt because they told me at the fair that they didn't have it. So we'll see. That's it for now. Have a great day and ciao for now. Continuing the next chapter. Bye.